Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings on your device and locating the Google app or assistant settings. This is where control lives. Make sure your device is unlocked and on Wi-Fi so changes sync. Once there, tap into Apps or Search settings and find Assistant Preferences. You do this first to avoid toggling the wrong feature later. Keep your Google account details handy because the system may ask you to confirm identity before you disable voice activation. Next, go into Voice Match or the Hey Google section and turn off voice activation. This stops the assistant from reacting to wake words. You should also disable any settings that allow voice access on the lock screen so it won't listen when the phone is locked. Make sure to remove saved voice models or hot word training if present. That prevents future reactivation. Take a breath. This is the core step that cuts off passive listening and reclaims your device's mic. Finally, remove remaining access by disabling the Google app or force stopping it, then revoke microphone permission in settings right arrow privacy, right arrow microphone. That blocks the assistant from hearing anything. Once done, restart your device to ensure changes take effect and test by saying, "Hey Google," you should get no response. If the assistant still wakes, check for third-party apps that re-enable it and repeat permission revocation. Tip: if problems persist, clear app cache and data before reconfiguring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.